That would have been loud and expensive. Bag, 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 bag. Gonna be another bag at home as we're cutting our way there. Plus we have 2 more bags up north, which makes 7. I told the harvest crew, whoever helps put the grain in the bag has to help take it out. They didn't seem to agree to that. Even though the initial reports of canola yields are underwhelming, there's still going to be some bushels there. So that's what we're saving room for. Come on. We have a couple more days of wheat. This window's too. And then we'll be on to the canola. No! Oh, my sunglasses. Okay, let's go get those. Thought there'd be a ladder inside here. There's not. There we go. Those can stay there. The new cart is a good size, 1,500 bushels. So in wheat, we can fill a Super Bee if it's right full. We can get 40 tons in here. If it's 3/4 full, it's a good tridem size load. These are the wheel wells. Augers here. This is your gate. That's the gate. How do I get through here? Rip off anything. A ladder on the inside would be helpful. This is the joystick that controls the spout and auger. Rotate forward, back, tilt, so you can line up to the truck or bagger. And then you just gotta click it front and back to fold the auger in. Then it'll go. My sunglasses have to make it through harvest. It's on its last legs, I think. There we go. Good as new. We have 6 quarters of wheat all touching here at home. It's about 850 acres. We actually have 7, but that one is canola. But right in the middle, right where we're harvesting right now, is probably the best dirt we have. And it is heavy chewing. It's like 75, 80 bushels. This field average is 68. So we have from where we are here to the bins, and that's all the wheat we have left. Late, and he knows he's late because he is flying. Oh, Noah brought his smaller lunch kit today. Now we're cooking. Had to do 1 cartload while the harvest help arrived. We got going a little bit earlier than expected, so just some bonus time in the morning, but now is the usual time we get going, so now we'll start thrashing full speed. This is Starbuck wheat. It's heavy. Like I said before, pretty good stretch of dirt here. 70s for yield. Can't go very fast, 3.2. Standing okay in the middle. Headlands are a little bit lodged. Got rain in the forecast coming up, so if we get another shower on this, it could be a little bit more flatter than it already is. But for here, normally, you get 50 bushel wheat, you're doing pretty good. 55, that's kind of our max. 50 bushel wheat, 40 canola. That's pretty much it. We're into the 70s. That's a lot of bushels. But if you're combining 70 bushel wheat while eating cold pizza, the greatest combine lunch, in my opinion, of all time, you better take that all in, because that's pretty special. How many folds left?
11.
Cleared out a space for the last bag. Look how bad lodged it is, hey? Even though we're right at home, we gotta save the bins for canola. So I'm still hoping that canola is gonna do 40, even though it has the stand for 50, but the July heat got to it. So the canola is gonna go in the bins. Gotta save room. This will be the last bag. And we have the bags and bagger, so we might as well use it. We have dumped it on the ground before, but that was a long time ago. And we've been selling lots straight off the combine to make more room. A lot of loads going out of the yard, so a lot of grain this year. That's good. Too much fertilizer, or too much rainfall, or maybe you need some manipulator or solid stem weed or something. This is not that fun to pick up. Good thing we rolled it here. Trying to cut low, but there are some rocks. The 7th and final bag is set up.
Okay, that's good.
Post-harvest, gotta get those cleaned up as soon as you can. If you got room at home, put them in the bins. If you can sell it, if you can haul it right in, that's even better. Because the longer you wait, the birds start pecking on the top, and there starts to be holes in the top, and the deer get in the sides. And worst case Ontario, a herd of elk comes and rips through the entire bag in a day. So those are the first priorities post-harvest. And then we got to get the harrows going to break up all this lodged material so we can seed through it. Oh yeah, way better with these trees going. I can get in here, work it up. I've already sprayed it twice. Those trees are next. And it's dark. If the moisture's right, we'll go all night. Well, the moisture's under 12%, and it's 10 o'clock, and then we'll start thinking about maybe just filling the cart. Chance of showers, maybe tomorrow. Hopefully it stays away. But the day after, it looks like it's for sure gonna come. But the crew needs a break. We've been going steady, we've been grinding. So a rain delay isn't the end of the world right now.